Welcome, today I am with Jabra Active 75T and I will show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So first you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. And right now I will show you the fastest way how to connect them. And after that I will show you a little bit longer method with the Jabra application. So when you enable Bluetooth, you have to open charging case of the Jabra, remove both earbuds from the case, and then right here we got buttons. So we have to click and hold them for 3 seconds together until this indicator right here on the right earbud start blinking on the blue. Let's make it right now. Click and hold both buttons. As you can see right now, this one is blinking, so we can finally release both buttons. Put them back and refresh the list of your Bluetooth devices. Here it is. So right now we can tap on them. Accept pairing request, and as you can see, after a few moments we are successfully connected. Of course, I will put one of the earbud to the microphone to show you that it's working. Okay, that's weird. Let's try to make it like that. So as you can hear, everything is fine and the earbuds are playing music. Right now we have to go for the Play Store and I will show you how we can connect them with the Jabra Sound Plus application. So we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to enter for Jabra Sound application. Just found it in the Play Store. There it is. Let's install. Right now we can open. Click continue. And as you can see, we are connected. So if you connect this Jabra headphones by using the Bluetooth settings, like in my case, you will be automatically connected with your Jabra Sound Plus application. So right now we can skip this quick guide. And here it is. As you can see, we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.